This video is designed to provide some clarification on how to properly set the drill bit for the sysbot operation. So what we're going to do is clean away the drill bit really well. We're going to take an accurate measurement as to what the current setting is. And to do that, you want to go right up against the face of the drill collet and extend all the way out to the tip of the drill. On this example, you can see it was set a little bit too deep. The proper setting is 1 1/8 inches or 1.125 inches. So we're going to remove this drill bit from the collet. We're going to clean everything really well and disassemble the drill from the collet. There's a small set screw that holds the countersink bit onto the drill, and most times you'll need to use a small pick or some sort of cleaning tool to clear away that hole so you can get the very fine Allen key into the hole and unscrew it and disassemble that completely. Sometimes you'll find some super glue will be on that hole, so you have to chip that all away to gain access. So once you're able to remove it, again, everything should get cleaned really well. And then what we want to do is reset the countersink bit to the proper setting. And what we're aiming for is to have 1 1/8 inches, again 1.125 inches, from the deepest part of the countersink to the tip of the drill. So you can kind of slide it into position, take a rough measurement. Don't over tighten the screw just yet until we get the perfect measurement. And it's going to take a few tries. Once the perfect setting is achieved, then you want to snug that Allen key up really tightly. And again, you could put some super glue in the hole to hold everything in place and to keep the Allen key from backing out on you. So once everything looks good, you can do a double check by using a tape measure even, and from the collet face to the tip of the drill should be 1 1/8. Reassemble the entire collet, drill, countersink, and holder back into the drill assembly. Keep some pressure on the tip of the drill as you tighten it up, and tighten it down really well. Now on this example, what we're going to see is the drill bit length is either a little bit too long, or the pocket inside the drill is causing a situation where the back of the drill bit is bottoming out, and it's forcing the drill bit and the countersink bit to extend forward slightly. Alright, so as Chris takes some measurements here, you'll see that the countersink bit is actually protruding out a strong 1/8 of an inch. And that's not the ideal situation. We want the deepest part of the countersink to be flush with the collet face. So what we're going to do here is remove the entire assembly. We're going to mark the drill bit. About 1/8 of an inch is what it looks like, maybe a strong 1/8. And we're going to use a Dremel tool to just basically take some material away from the back end of the drill bit. We absolutely want to use safety glasses while doing something like this. Nice slow steady pace, just taking away a little bit of material as you go around. And then we're going to reassemble the entire assembly back into the drill housing. Again, you want to put some pressure on the tip of the drill while tightening this up completely. Yeah, and it's a good idea to keep the two keys close together for a final squeeze to get really, really tight setting on that. So now you can actually see that the deepest part of the countersink is very close to being flush with the face of the collet, and that's the exact setting we're looking for here, so that when you're drilling a hole with Syspot, if the collet bottoms out against the pipe wall, the deepest we'll be drilling is 1 1/8 inches.